I tried to find the interior designer from last 1 or 2 months, and then we actually visited a lot of vendors. But in those vendors, I actually find that they were charging too much, but they were not providing the quality of work, and the timeline also was not matching what we were expected. But why I have choose Asense because of the interaction that happened with the CRM team. It's from Abhishek from the CRM team. I had an interaction with him, so he actually explained like what the process they will going to follow about the designing phase, then the production, then the delivery. So that was actually coming in our scope. Our designer was Vara. She's from the designing team. So she actually gave us the suggestion which helped us to shape our requirements, what you are seeing right now. And yeah, it was a good experience with her, and that is why I choose Essence.
So with the Essence, it started with I still remember my first time meeting with Abhishek in the Whitefield Experience Center. He was that much dedicated because we were just coming here for the first meeting, and helped us a lot. He just spent his time, understood what we are expecting, and from there on we just had a couple of sessions with the Vara and all. So all are very fruitful, I would say, and very valuable session that we had. And after that, the execution and the planning stuff happened. The transition was very smooth, very smooth. There was some last minute changes that we requested even when the second draft of the design was finalized, but they were really happy to help us even just to accommodate those last minute changes, and without missing the schedule. They were able to wrap up everything within the schedule. If can we get this interior done a couple of weeks before, and they were able to do it for us.
I'm very happy because it is actually value for money. And then my parents visited this house, and they were also happy that it executed properly. The quality of work is too good, and whatever the materials, the lamination they have included, it's suiting this house, and the color combination are really good. And they really helped us to turn this 2 BHK house into my dream home.
So I will definitely and highly recommend for the Essence if you really want a peace of mind and you really don't want to redo your interiors again and again, because this is just like you are in a life event. This is the homes you do it for the once, and it's okay if you are just pushing a budget a little bit higher, but it's every word for penny that you spend. So highly and definitely recommended. They are best as business. I mean, it's just totally as per our expectation, and we were happy with the final product.